Manny, let me ask you some questions.
Okay.
Would you be able to divide this number by 6?
To see if this whole number can be divided by 6, I need to see if this number can be divided by 2 and 3. Okay, this number cannot be divided by 2 because it's not an even number, because it ends with a 1. So that means this number cannot be divided by 6.
Will you be able to divide this number by 5?
Yes, because it ends with a 5. And it can be divided by 5 if it ends with a 0 too.
Will you be able to divide this number by 9?
Okay, I'll do it. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 11 plus 0, 11, 11 plus 1, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 6 is 26. So 26, 2 plus 6 is 8. So this number cannot be divided by 9. If this number ends with a 9, if I add all these digits and add it again, if it ends with a 9, this whole number can be divided by 9. So it ends with 8, so it cannot be divided by 9.
Will you be able to divide this number by 4?
Okay, let me check. I need both of these numbers, so 3 divided by 2 is remainder 1. I only need to put the remainder down here. Okay, then I put the 2 over here. Now 12 divided by 4 is remainder 0. That means this number can be divided by 4.
Will you be able to divide this number by 7?
I'll find out. Okay, so 9 divided by 7, I only need the remainder. So 2, 22 divided by 7, remainder 1. 18 divided by 7, remainder 4. 47 divided by 7, remainder 5. 54 divided by 7 is remainder 5. 52 divided by 7, remainder 3. 36 divided by 7, remainder 1. 17 divided by 7 is remainder 3. That means this number cannot be divided by 7.
Will you be able to divide this number by 3?
I'll find out. So 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 plus 9, 22, 22 plus 8, 30, 30 plus 7, 37, 37 plus 0 equals 37. 3 plus 7, 10, 1 plus 0, 1. So, this number cannot be divided by 3.
Will you be able to divide this number by 8?
Let's find out. Okay, so 7 divided by 2 is remainder 1. I'll put the 8 over here. 18 divided by 4 is remainder 2. Now I need to put the 9 here. 29 divided by 8 is remainder 5. That means this number cannot be divided by 8.